The HPC50 series is the ideal instrument to test and calibrate pressure or temperature transmitters. Simply set the upper display to milliamps in and choose the transmitter type. In the lower window, you can measure and display the pressure or temperature value. When comparing milliamps to pressure, two useful features are included in the upper window. Scaling converts the milliamp reading into the equivalent pressure reading based on the information provided. This makes it easy to compare similar readings. Percent error calculates and displays the percent error with each reading, while also displaying the actual milliamp value. This eliminates the need to manually calculate each point, saving time and reducing errors. Other useful features, like switch test, add to the uses of the HPC50 series without complicating the instrument. When in switch mode, the numerical display updates at 10 times per second, making it the ideal instrument to test pressure safety valves, switches, and burst discs.